Our next awardee is a reporter for the country's oldest newspaper, the Manila Times, and also served as a columnist for tabloid Remate. Additionally, he is a former vice president and active member of the Quezon City Press Club. He has held the position of director at the National Press Club 8 times, and since 2009, he has been the current president of the Kamanaba Press Corp. Our awardee for Outstanding Reporter, Mr. Arlie O. Calalo, Quezon City Press Club.
Good evening, everyone. Siyempre, lalong-lalo na sa ating tunay at nag-iisang manananggol ng masang Pilipino, Public Attorney's Office Chief, Persida Rueda Acosta. At sa ibang mga panauhin, good evening once again. Alam niyo po, I believe in destiny. At alam niyo po, kapag tadhana na po ang nagsalita o kumilos, ika nga, we cannot refuse. You cannot refuse. And she cannot refuse. With her competence, with her dedication in public service, certainly she will be a great asset of the Philippine Senate. Yes. Kaya lang, kung siyang tatanungin natin, at minsan nakausap ko na rin siya about it, she opted to stay put, to finish her term as a chief public attorney. Well, it's just a matter of convincing her. Just the same, 2025 pa naman yun eh. Kaya 2025 pa yung karera, kaya let's just wait and see. Anyway, for sure, she can be assured of your all-out support when she decides. Tama ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba sabayan niyo na ako isang malakas na yes? Yes. Okay, this one, actually this is 2 in a row for me. Kasi last year, I received the same award, the same recognition, of course, given by PAO, before over 2,500 public lawyers of the Public Attorney's Office. This time, nasa harap niyo ako, receiving the same award, sa harap ninyo who are equally dedicated and hardworking rank-and-file employees of the Public Attorney's Office. I'm so honored to be right in front of you. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, personally, I have not dreamed of receiving this kind of award. Kasi to me, para sa akin, being a member of the Fourth Estate, being a journalist, I am duty-bound. It's my job to write stories, articles, primarily for the purpose of informing the public, making the public fully aware about what's happening around. But being recognized, especially by PAO, thank you ulit, PAO Chief, and of course the Committee on Awards and Recognition, it's really satisfying. And it's truly inspiring. Yes. And I think this is the right time also to thank my Manila Times family. Of course, a while ago, yung aking dalawang boss, yung mag-ama, yung Chairman Emeritus, si Sir Dante Ang Sr. at si Boss Klink, the publisher and executive editor ng Manila Times. Of course, my 2 managing editors, they have been very patient and understanding. Miss Alinette Luna and Miss Lina Calso. I'm so grateful to them. Of course, and I have to take this, to grab this opportunity to greet again the Manila Times, your newspaper, our newspaper, on its 125th anniversary. That exactly falls, it falls exactly today. Ngayon mismo ang kanya anniversary. I'm very sure, certainly, wala pa tayo sa mundo yung Manila Times ay namamayagpag na locally and globally. That's 125 years, no? Also, I'd like to thank my tabloid remate family, my boss, publisher Sir Benedict Antiporda, of course, my editor-in-chief, Lydia Bueno, who is currently the first woman president of the National Press Club of the Philippines. Of course, my opinion editors, Miss Leia Botones, a contemporary, and Sir Fred Pudi Cabalbag. Alam niyo po, hindi po magiging posible yung mga stories ko, yung mga articles ko. We will not see my stories. It will not land on papers kung wala itong mga tao na to. That is why it's proper to say that I'd like to share this award with them. This is for you. I must say thank you and God bless us all.
Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for Outstanding Reporter, Mr. Arlie O. Calalo, Quezon City Press Club.